Now throw it. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Now tell him. He did. Get the ball. Well, you keep teasing him with it. What do you think he's going to do?
Go.
No, just throw it. Say fetch. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Hey, he's kissing me. Oh, you're going to get a kiss. You're going to get a big kiss. So what do you think of Oreo? He's really funny. Really? Not the shovel. Aiden, not the shovel. No.